Every gardener wants more flowers, more fruit, and more harvest. It's the dream to walk out and see your garden bursting with color and produce, right? But here's the thing. There's no need to spend a dime on fancy fertilizers. You don't have to break the bank to get incredible results. I whipped up this zero-cost liquid in my kitchen, and honestly, my plants exploded with fruit. It was almost unbelievable how quickly they responded. Let's talk about those store-bought fertilizers for a second. They promise miracles, but at what cost? They're expensive, packed with synthetic stuff, and yeah, they make your plants grow fast. But they can also burn roots, mess with your soil microbes, and do nothing for long-term soil health. Over time, your garden can actually suffer. So what if you could swap all that for something totally free, totally natural, and honestly better for your garden? Imagine never having to worry about harsh chemicals again. Here's my secret fermented kitchen scraps. It's a simple trick, but it's a total game changer. Banana peels, veggie trimmings, eggshells, stuff you usually toss out. All those scraps are actually packed with nutrients. All you need is a jar, some water, and a little patience. No fancy equipment, no special ingredients. As the scraps ferment, they break down and release a powerhouse of potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and even natural plant hormones. All the good stuff fruiting plants absolutely love. It's like a superfood smoothie for your garden. Just take your peels and trimmings, drop them in a jar, fill with water, and cover loosely. That's it. No complicated steps. Give it a stir every day, let it sit for about a week, and you're done. It's ridiculously easy. Anyone can do this, even if you're new to gardening. So why does this work so well? What's the science behind this homemade magic? Fermentation unlocks those nutrients and makes them instantly available to your plants. It's a natural process that supercharges your soil. Potassium helps your plants flower and fruit, calcium strengthens stems and helps prevent blossom end rot, and phosphorus means bigger roots and more energy for fruiting. These are the building blocks of a thriving garden. Plus, you're feeding the microbes in your soil, which are like the garden's secret workforce. Healthy soil means healthy plants every time. When I tried this on my tomatoes and peppers, I saw more blossoms, thicker stems, and way more fruit. Way more than the control plants. The difference was honestly night and day. And all from stuff I used to throw away. It's amazing how much value is hiding in your kitchen scraps. So don't waste money on synthetic fertilizers. There's a better, greener way. Your kitchen scraps hold the secret to seriously explosive fruiting power. Don't let them go to waste. Try this zero-cost hack. Drop a comment on how it worked for you. And if you've got your own homemade fertilizer trick, tell me. I'd love to try it out. Let's grow something amazing together.